Hey there, you know you like this. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you, and if I've already met you then hey girl, you looking cute. And okay, calm that down. Sorry. Oh, am I? No. So anyway, this is the makeup look that I'm going to be doing today, and it is a double ombre liner with a shitload of product on here, all up on here. Yes, so I have already done this eye in the video, and I'll just be doing this eye because if I'd done both eyes, then oh my god, we'd be here all day. We would be here all day, and we just ain't got time for that. So I am just going to be zooming right up so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Exactly. Let's get on with this video. Okay, so first I am going around my eyebrows with brow this way. Then taking the Plouise base, I'm just going to hold my brow up just to give me more control of what I'm actually doing and more eye space. Then going in with Addicted, you just place that right in your crease. I'm packing it just in the same spot until it is the colour that you desire. And then whenever it is, you can start bringing it in slightly. And with this bit, we are going to start creating the going out kind of shape. Put it in the middle and gently pat that out. And then taking a clean brush and just blending that up in little circular motions back and forth. When I say back and forth, I just mean one each direction, so clockwise and anti-clockwise. That's what I mean by back and forth, not like that. It's literally doing little tiny round circular motions, clockwise, anti-clockwise, just back and forth. So just place that Idolise right at the edge of the purple, and whenever you've got the pink that you want in the middle, then you can start bringing it around. Yellow Plouise base. I'm going to start cutting out that crease. The mint green shade with the blue. Taking Climax, and I'm just going to set that yellow, a aqua kind of colour, and I'm just going to put that in the middle. Then taking a fur, just creating that shape, pink base. I'm just going to cut this crease again, but slightly lower. I'm still following that shape that we've created. Then taking that yellow base again, and just going to start doing outliner. And the blue, you just want to connect the end of that liner onto your lashes. Then take the yellow and then the blue. And a bit of the aqua colour in the middle. And then I'm going to put on some mascara and lashes, and then I'll be back. I was going to use the base for this because I haven't got any blue eyeliner, but because I've never tried it in my eyes or anything and I don't want to, you know, end up more blind than I am just taking the Jeffree Star Breakfast at Tiffany's liquid lipstick and putting a bit of that on. Just because I have tried this in my eye before and it was fine. And then taking the Aqua blue again and just setting that. And now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go in with finishing touches everywhere else. Taking the Hoola Benefit bronzer, just patting that on, blending up. Pat it on and blend it up again. Then the MAC Give Me Sun. Lips, I am using the Matte Me Up by Barry M lip kit. It is in nude. And of course, we need some highlighter on this face. My brow is showing and everything, sorry. But it's just the way this top is. And I wasn't wearing a strapless bra just for this. So I'm going in with the Ofra NikkiTutorials Space Baby highlighter. And ooh yeah. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, go subscribe because I need at least 1,000 subscribers on YouTube to start getting noticed more, and I'm so close to it. So yeah, that is my goal for 2019. So if that could happen, you know, soon, that would be so nice. So nice. Oh, look at that hand. Look at it. Look at it. And also, if you do subscribe, I promise this won't be showing next time. Okay, I think that might be a lie. I don't know. It depends on what top I'm wearing. If I'm wearing this top, then it's going to be strong. Okay? Okay? Sorry. Sorry. Don't hate me for it. Okay. Bye. See you in the next video.